Today I'll be sharing how I make my favorite cranberry blueberry sauce. It can be used as a topping for your appetizers. So here I'm using it as a topping for my bruschetta. It can be used as a filling for hand pies, and it's perfect to serve with your Thanksgiving turkeys. All right, let's get started. So you want to start off by adding a cup of pre-washed blueberries to your saucepan. Next, add your cranberries. Also make sure they're pre-rinsed. Then a stick of cinnamon, your granulated sugar, and some ground cloves. So the cloves will add some warmth and depth to the sauce. Next, add your cornstarch, and then you want to add some orange zest to the sauce just to make it a little more flavorful, to add a little more freshness to your sauce. So here I'm using the zest of half an orange. You can use the zest of a whole orange if you prefer. Next, we'll be using the juice of one orange. So this also adds a little more sweetness and orange flavor to the sauce, and it just tastes a little more festive. So give that a good squeeze and get all of your orange juice out of the oranges. So once that's done, stir all your ingredients together thoroughly until your cornstarch is well dissolved into the liquid. That way it doesn't create lumps when you take it on to heat it up. So next, place your saucepan on medium heat and keep stirring until it starts to thicken. You'll find that the cranberries will start to pop. That's the way you want it to be. So keep stirring until it looks like that and your cranberry sauce is ready. So now pour that into a bowl and you can chill it for use later. So make sure to remember to remove the cinnamon stick and orange rind before serving this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you take care of yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Happy holidays.